what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Heather, and my channel is all about my journey to lose a little over 80 pounds with a little bit of lifestyle peppered in between. Today's video is a weekly reset routine. We're going to go to the grocery store, do a little grocery haul, and then we're gonna meal prep for the week. Again, if you're new, lately I have been meal prepping on Thursdays instead of on the weekends because I don't have time on the weekends anymore to do it. This is just a little experiment I'm trying out. I've done it for the last few weeks now and it's been working out really well. This is actually all filmed on Thursday. It's a day that I work at home and I have time to go to the grocery store and meal prep and all of that throughout the day. So far, so good. I'll show you what's on the menu here for the week and we're going to get started. And then at the end, I'm gonna show you just my meals that I had throughout the week too. I hope you guys enjoy.
From a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts, but they can't even touch us. We found
quick little grocery haul. I got some of this Alani Nu for pre-workouts and creamer, a bunch of stuff for the soup like heavy whipping cream, yellow onion, sweet potatoes, chicken bone broth. I'm gonna try out these. I have tried the lemon strawberry one and it's really good. I have not tried these two. They're the apple cider vinegar beverages. This is for the soup. I got some strawberries for snacks to go along with the sweet cannoli dip. I've seen really great reviews for this and I saw that people were loving it with strawberries, so I'm gonna give it a try for some snacks. Trader Joe's was out of rosemary, so I had to go to Target for that. Got my shots for the week, some celery juice, spinach and kale. These are great for snacks. These are little pouches of olives and they're only 55 calories for a pouch, so they're really good for when you're wanting something salty. This week I'm gonna try tuna on crackers, and I got the recipe from the Trader Joe's website. You mix some albacore tuna with some red pepper spread and Greek Kalamata olives, and you top it on these Golden Rounds crackers. Rigatoni for the ziti that I'm gonna make. Trader Joe's doesn't have ziti, so I just got the closest thing. And then some mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese for the ziti, some overnight oats for when I go into the office for breakfasts, and some pecorino romano grated cheese. So I am starting out with the soup because that is what will take me the longest. If you've watched my meal prep videos before, you know that's what I do, and I like to set up a station. I put all of the ingredients out and chop the vegetables and measure out all of the spices so that it's all ready to go, and I'm not trying to do it while I'm trying to cook. Otherwise, I get too busy doing things like chopping vegetables and then things start to burn. So it's just easier and faster when you meal prep like this. So all of my recipes that I got for this week are linked down below in the description box. Right now I am just heating up the meat and the onions in some olive oil and adding all of the spices. So the recipe called for 6 cups of low sodium chicken bone broth. Trader Joe's didn't have low sodium, so I actually just used, I believe it was 2.5 cups of the chicken bone broth, and then for the rest of it I just used water just because it felt like it was a lot of sodium, especially with the additional salt and the adobo that I added. And now I'm going to work on the Instant Pot baked ziti. Here I am just sauteing the garlic and some oil on the saute function on the Instant Pot. And now I'm adding some water and salt to deglaze the bottom of the Instant Pot. This recipe was super simple. You just throw everything in and let it cook, and not many ingredients either, so it was nice and easy and also cheap. Once the pasta and the sauce and the spinach were in, I cooked the pasta on high pressure for 7 minutes. While that was cooking in the Instant Pot, I went and started making the tuna red pepper spread and olive salad. So this was a Trader Joe's recipe that I found on the Trader Joe's website, and again, I will just link it down below, but it was also a very simple recipe. You just put all the ingredients together and top it with some parsley and you were good to go. So I just prepared the tuna salad, and then throughout the week I topped my crackers with it. The pasta was done at this point, and I quick released the pressure, and then I mixed up the pasta and the sauce and spinach. Then it was time to top it with all of the cheese, which obviously makes it super good. I didn't need to put on the Instant Pot after that. You just put the cover on at the end and let it sit for about 15 minutes just to let the cheese melt. Once that was done, I just separated the pasta into 4 different servings. I try to eyeball it. I don't really care if the serving sizes aren't exact. I just feel like it all evens out at the end of the week, especially now because I am keeping track of my weekly calorie totals rather than just my daily calorie totals. After about an hour and a half of the soup simmering, I took about a cup of the liquid onion and sweet potato, added it to a blender along with a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then added that back to the soup to simmer for the last 15 minutes. And I also added some kale for the last few minutes as well.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star. Flying over streets and our broken hearts, but they can't even touch us. We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite.
Alright, that wraps up today's video. Thanks so much again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!